We are sitting at an equity peak for the 100K portfolio with Coffee DayTrader. Coffee DayTrader is EVP2 1M coffee, and so it's basically the same exact system. Here we are for the month. This was the recommended addition to the portfolio that still keeps us under 100K. This is the account size required with trade station margins and drawdown. And here are the results. We ended up June down. There was a big losing day towards the end of June, and that put us down for the month. And so May and June were just kind of a break-even period after a nice April. And then July, you see we're up pretty good, 4,500 on the results of the trading systems. And it's 23 systems, so really nice month so far. And we're going to take a look. Coffee DayTrader took this trade on Friday, hit its profit target. And we're at an equity peak. So we got in at 169.35. We exited at 171.50. We hit our profit target. And on big markets that range really big like coffee has been, it's pretty easy to catch our trend. You see a nice profit target is a small percentage of the range, and so you see an equity peak here too in Coffee DayTrader. And the results in the calculator include slippage and commission. The results here do not, and so a little bit choppier equity curve with slippage and commission, but without slippage and commission, we're at an equity peak in Coffee DayTrader too. And so nice results. Some of the trades last week, and some of you asked me how you set this up in a workspace scenario. And the way we set it up is we have two workspaces. We have one workspace here with the base strategies for the strategies that use money management algorithms. And then we go to a second workspace, and there's 22 windows here. This does not include Coffee DayTrader, but you could easily copy and paste that and make one of these windows smaller. And so you can put all 22 systems in one workspace. You will still need the additional workspace for the money management algorithms. There's 8 strategies that look at money management algorithms. And when you lease a 100K portfolio, you do not have to have the money management algorithms. You can essentially lease the algorithms for these. They'll be closed code, and they'll only work on these systems. They won't work on other strategies. But you'll be able to trade this. And so gold was a big winner last week. We captured this trade on Friday, and we captured this trade on Tuesday, a short and a long last week. Those were really nice trades. Stock index swing, one of our top systems, it got stopped out, and you see this, the result of this price action goes down, gets stopped out near the lows, and then bounces back towards where we entered. And so that's always nice when that happens. We don't like to see that. If we allow it to frustrate us, it will, but you just got to trade the system and go with it. We had a nice trade here, and then we're on 2 losers in a row. And so because the swing system did bad, the day trade systems did pretty good. We had this short trade and this short trade in SR counter trend, and then we did have a loser there. We captured some move in Cobra 3. Where's Cobra 3? So we captured this move in Cobra 3. It's a selective system, and we had some other trades. Cobra bonds. It got chopped up here last Tuesday, and then it had 3 winners after those 3 losers. And so I wanted to show you this, give you this update on Sunday night, in case you want to start this week at an equity peak. We alerted about the drawdown. It was a good time to get in on a drawdown. We showed the drawdown here and alerted that it was a good time to get in at this point. And so it has rallied from that drawdown point. That is with Coffee DayTrader. Without Coffee DayTrader, just the base portfolio, we're still up on the month, and it has come off that low. It was in this drawdown low when we alerted, and so it has come off that low. It's still in a $1,500 drawdown without Coffee DayTrader, and so there's room to run. You want to start out there and then add Coffee DayTrader, but Coffee DayTrader will be included in this portfolio. If you lease that, you can get that without any additional charge. It'll be 23 systems now. We were at a drawdown in Coffee DayTrader. So if we take a look at Coffee DayTrader, we also talked about when it was a good time. We showed this drawdown in the past and said, hey, here's a good time to get in. This drawdown looks similar to these drawdowns back here, and it's a good time to get in and start trading Coffee DayTrader. And it turned out that it was a good time to trade Coffee DayTrader, because after having 2 losing months in a row, pretty small losing months, and you can see it's a selective system, 10 trades in the last 2 months and then 5 trades here in July. And so 5 trades at $2,418.75, about averaging almost $500 a trade. And so sometimes getting in on a drawdown or after consecutive losing trades or consecutive losing months is a good place to get in. Sometimes it's preferable to get in on run-ups. And so these are at equity peaks, and it's a good time to get in if you'd like to get in on equity peaks. It's hard to time when to start, and so wanted to give you that update of a equity peak with Coffee DayTrader, still $1,500 away from an equity peak without Coffee DayTrader, how the workspaces work, and just a general update. Don't normally do this on Sunday night, but wanted to show you the opportunities that we had and the way the strategies are working out this month.